This video tutorial explains the tutorial attendance process for EDAR241. When Tutorial Direct opened a few weeks ago, you would have allocated yourself into a workshop with a particular time and a particular day of the week. Because this unit has content that is about music and content that is about visual arts, we then do a manual reallocation of your tutorial, so you still stay in the same date and time that you allocated yourself into, but what we have done is we've now allocated you into a group A and a group B. So group A starts with music and does music for the first 6 weeks of the semester, and group B starts with visual arts and does visual arts for the first 6 weeks of the semester, and then at the week 7 point you swap around. And so in order for that to work, we have manually allocated you into either Group A or Group B. So in order to find that information, you need to go into the Unit Information module on the EDAR241 Leo site. And you will then see up at the top it says Workshop Allocations, please click here to access. Just underneath that, there's a reminder that Group A begins with music and Group B begins with visual arts. Once you click on the Workshop Allocations link, you will see that your names have been allocated to either Group A or Group B. Now on the left hand side under the table of contents, just in this area here, you'll see that the tutorials, which are Wednesday 10 AM, Wednesday 5 PM, Thursday 11, Thursday 2 and Thursday 4 have been split into Group A and Group B. And so what you'll want to do is go to the day that you selected. So if you selected the Thursday 11 AM shoot, you just want to have a look in either Group A or Group B to see which one you are in. That is then going to be your group for the remainder of the semester. So just to remind you, Group A starts with music and Group B starts with visual arts. The music tutorial room is down in the basement of the Mary Glary building, which is the main building here on the Melbourne campus. And in order to find out where the visual arts studio is, if you go back to the Unit Information module on Leo and have a look, there's a link that says Visual Arts Studio location, and that will show you how to get to the Visual Arts Studio. If you have any queries about this, please let me know. You can contact me via the communication tab on Leo, or you feel free to email me as well. If you change your tutorial between now and the first workshop of the semester, please can you email me, and then I will update this information on Leo for you. All the best for the coming semester.